and attention deficit hyperactivity disorder, concerned that Kenya's mental health policy estimates that about 25% of outpatients and about 40% of inpatients suffer from mental health conditions, with most frequent diagnosis of mental illness made in general hospital settings.
I must commend Honorable Rose Museo for attempting to address and expose some of the issue that people feel should be hidden away from the public glance, Mr. Speaker. It is a high time to address sensitive issues such as mental illness, Mr. Speaker.
Mr. Speaker, we have also witnessed a lot of election conflicts in our country. The post-election conflicts, you can imagine, there were tribal clashes. People killed each other, community killed each other, Mr. Speaker. If only we could not have some counseling services, I can tell you, Mr. Speaker, the cohesion could not be there, Mr. Speaker.